going on, everyone? I'm building the Segway villain, but the build's going down on YouTube. So I'm gonna give you guys a link to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna ask that you subscribe, and after each video that you like, and you comment on it and get involved with us on this. I am gonna pop in on the stories and give you guys tech tips along the way, but I'm not gonna give you the whole story behind the build and what the parts are. There are a lot of new parts going on this. So for today, the new tech tip is this. This is your radius rod. We're removing it. I've reinstalled the hardware on it. I'm going to be installing shock therapy radius rods on our Segway villain. They don't always come adjusted, so this is the cheater way to adjust your radius rods back to factory specs. You just simply slide them over until they just slide right on in. And that gets you back to factory specs. That's tech tip number 1 for today. I got one more for you. Tech tip number 2. Use anti-seize. It's your best friend. A lot of people use this, manufacturers use this when they're assembling their own parts. Now they're either gonna use silver, like right here. Shock Therapy runs silver anti-seize on their threads. They do that so that you can undo it and adjust it easily. Now what they don't do, and no one does, because they don't need to, this is on you, they don't put anti-seize around the shoulder of the misalignment spacer. It's pretty important to do that when you're assembling. One, this side has it, they don't come out. But when you want them out, you twist and pull. You can see there's anti-seize on there and it's lubricated. That also keeps water out of there and debris out of there, and parts live a lot longer when you just take care of them. This doesn't cost much. I like the silver for the threads, and I like copper for the shoulders. Again, copper doesn't stain. Pretty cool. There you go.